Good morning, friends. Previously we learned how to convert real situation in algebraic expression. So today we will start exercise 11.4. Here the question number 1 is answer the following. First, age. Take Sarita's present age by years. Statement is given. Take Sarita's present age to be by years. So here variable is given y and that represent Sarita's present age. What will be her age 5 years from now? What will be her age 5 years from now? Means after 5 years what will be her age? So if her age is 2 years, then after 5 years 7 years. If her age is 3 years, then after 5 years it will be 8 years. So here the variable y is given. It means we need to add 5 to find age after 5 years. So in expression we can write y plus 5 years. That will be our answer. Next is what was her age 3 years back? Means before 3 years. So what was her age 3 years back? So before 3 years, her age was y minus 3 years. So that will be given by y minus 3 years. Before 3 years, her age was y minus 3 years. If her age is 6 years, then before 3 years, she was 3 years. If her age is 10 years, then before 3 years, her age was 7 years. So that way we can subtract 3 from the present age. Next, Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of grandfather? 6 times her age. What is Sarita's present age? She is of y years. So 6 times her age means 6 multiplied. 6 times means multiply by 6. So grandfather's age will be 6 times Sarita's present age, so it is 6 years. Next statement, grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. 2 years younger means subtract 2. So grandmother age will be 6x minus, it is 6y minus 2 years. Clear? Next statement, Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? So 5 years more. It means addition of 5 and 3 times Sarita's age. So it means multiply 3 in Sarita's age. So we can write 3 times Sarita's age, that is 3y. 3 times Sarita's age means 3y. 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So that will be given by 3y plus 5. So father's age is 3y plus 5 years. What is the statement? Father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So you can see 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So that will give father's age. Next statement is the length of rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if breadth is b meters? Here breadth of hall is given b meters. Again with the statement, the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less. 4 meter less. More means addition and less means subtraction. So 4 meter less means subtract 4. From what? From 3 times the breadth. But here breadth is given b meter. So 3 times of breadth means 3 multiply b. So it is 3b. So we can write breadth of hall is b meter. So 3 times of b, that is what? Breadth is 3b. 4 meters less than 3b. So we can get 3b minus 4. So this will give the length of the hall. So we can write length of hall is 3b minus 4 meter. Again, what is the statement? The length of rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. But we don't know what is breadth. Here variable is given b. So 3 times of b, we get 3b. Now 4 meters less means subtraction of 4. So 3b minus 4. And that will give length of the rectangular hall. Now next statement, a rectangular box has height x centimeter. Its length is 5 times height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than length. Express the length and breadth of box in terms of height. Again, whenever this statement is given, read the statement 2 times so it will be clear how you can form the expression. First, rectangular box has height x centimeter. Height is given by variable x centimeter. So we can write that height is height of box is x centimeter. That is given by variable h. Its length is 5 times the height. Length is what? 5 times the height. So we can write length. Length of box is 5 times height, that is 5x centimeter. 5x centimeter will give length of height, length of box. The breadth is 10 centimeter less than length. 10 centimeter less means subtraction of 10 in what? From the length. So we can write breadth of box is 10 centimeter less means in a length we need to subtract 10 centimeter. Why? Because breadth is 10 centimeter less from the length. So length is 5h, that is what? 5 times the height. So these are the values of height, length and breadth in terms of height. You can see we have a variable h in all the measurements. Length is 5h, breadth is 5h minus 10. Clear? Now next one. A bus travels at v km per hour. What is speed? In 1 hour, it can cover v km. It is going from Dashpur to Bijpur. After bus has travelled 5 hours. If the speed of bus is 1 km, v km per hour means in 1 hour it can cover v km. So how much distance will it cover in 5 hours? For example, your speed is 10 km per hour. It means in 1 hour you can cover 10 km. So how much distance will you cover in 2 hours? You can cover 20 km. In 3 hours you can cover 30 km. So here the speed is v km per hour means in 5 hours bus can cover 5 v km. Clear? So here we can write speed of bus is v km per hour. So in 5 hours kilometer per hour. It means in 1 hour V kilometer can cover. So in 5 hours 5 multiplied V kilometer can cover. Next statement is given. Bispur is still 20 kilometer away. What is the distance from Dashpur to Bispur? Bus covered 5 kilometers, still 20 kilometers is remaining. So we can write 20 kilometers is still remaining. So distance from Dashpur to Bispur will be distance that already covered and distance that is remaining. So 5t plus 20 is distance between Dashpur to Bispur. Again, statements are given that speed of bus is V kilometer per hour. It means in 1 hour it can cover V kilometer. It means if we take one number here, if we take 5 kilometer per hour, it means in 1 hour it can cover 5 kilometer. In 2 hours it can cover 10 kilometer. In 3 hours it can cover 15 kilometer. But here variable V is given. So in 5 hours it can cover 5V kilometer. Still 20 kilometer is remaining. Means total distance is distance covered and distance remaining. So that is 5V plus 20 kilometer. That is total distance between Dashpur to Bispur. Next is given. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing on the step of the hilltop. Meena is at the step S. At what step Meena was? Meena is at the step S. Here the variable S is given. Beena is 8 steps ahead and Meena is 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? So here we can write Meena is at S step. Then it is given that Beena is 7 steps ahead. Then Meena, so that will given by S plus 8. Leena is 8 steps ahead, so S plus 8, 7 steps behind. Then Meena, so Meena is at the 8th step and Leena is behind her, so it is S minus 7. The total number of steps of the hilltop is 10 less than. 10 less than means subtraction of 10. In what? From what? 4 times. What is Meena reach? Meena reach at S step. 4 times of S means 4S and 10 S means minus 10. So total step is equal to 4 times step where Meena reach minus 10. So this will give the total number of steps. Now question number 2. Change the following statements using expression into statements in an ordinary language. Statements of expression are given and you need to convert it into ordinary language. Okay. Till now we learned how to convert ordinary language to the statement in an expression. Here expression statements are given and you need to convert it into ordinary language. Means in a situation form. So here one example is given how we can convert the statements in a statement that contain expression to the statement in a ordinary language. Salim scored 8 runs in a cricket match. Nalin scored X plus 15 runs. This is the statement which contain expression. So in ordinary language we can write Nalin scored 15 runs more than Salim. X plus 15 means 15 more than what? Score runs by cell. So in ordinary language we can write that Nalin scored 15 runs more than score of cell. You can write it in your own words. So here first statement is notebook cost is P rupees, book cost is 3P rupees. 3P means what? P is what? It is the cost of notebook. 3P means 3 times cost of notebook. So in ordinary language we can write the book cost is 3 times the cost of notebook. So book cost is 3 times the cost of notebook. Clear? 3P. What is P? That is cost of notebook. So we can write 3 times cost of notebook. Next is Tony puts Q marble on table. He has 8 Q marble in a box. So what is this Q? This is marbles on a table. So we can write in box 8 times marbles on a table that Tony has. So we can write Tony has 8 times number of marble on table in the box. In box, how many marbles? Or you can write in box there are 8 times number of marbles on a table. Clear? That is also correct. Next is our class has n student and school has 20 n student. So what is this n? N represents number of students in a class. So we can write in a school there are 20 times number of students of our class. So we can write number of students in school is 20 times number of students in our class. How many students in a school? It is 20 times number of students in a class. Next, Jagu is Z year old. His uncle is 4Z years. 4Z. What is Z? It is Jagu's age. So we can write his uncle is 4 times Jagu's age and his aunt is 4Z minus 3. So minus 3 means she is younger than uncle's age. So we can write his aunt is 3 years younger than uncle's age. So first we can write Jagu's uncle is 4 times Jagu's age and Jagu's aunt is 3 years. Dots in each row. So how many total number of dots? It is 5 times dots in a row. So we can write next statement is in arrangement of dots there are r rows. Each row contains 5 dots. So here what is the statement? R rows and each row contains 5 dots. So we can find the total number of dots or we can write the statement in terms of total number of dots. So we can write in arrangement total number of dots are 5 times the number of rows. Because in each row there are 5 dots, it means total number of dots are